Hi YouTube, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this product I received from the company Wavelu. So now let's open it up. Wow, just beautiful. Wave hello to the premium quality made just for you. Inside I have two pots. Here's the first one and here is the second one. As you can see. So what is this? This is a silicone pot made for air fryers. This product is a must-have for air fryer owners. This pot allows air fryer users to have an easy clean experience. So cooking in the air fryer can be very messy, as you guys may know. After you cook it, it's easy, but then you're left with that tray to clean. So this pot is responsible for making sure that doesn't happen. Instead, you're going to be putting the pot inside and then put your food in there. And this pot is really easy to wash. You just gotta take it out and just put it under the sink or put it in your dishwasher and you just wash it. And this pot, it can easily be moved inside out, so cleaning is not a hassle. Now let's go and open it. So now we're going to be opening it up. The smaller one first. This is how it looks. It has these lines, so this is for heat spacing, so heat is evenly distributed for your food. It has these great handles, so it can easily be lifted out from your air fryer. And here's the bottom. Very nicely made. And as I said before, it can be flipped inside out very easily. Like so. So when you're washing it, you can easily get all that grime out of the edges. Like so. Now let's put it back. Very easy. Simple. You see? And now let us open the second one. So this is again basically the same product, but this is just bigger, and that depends on your air fryer size. So now let's talk about the two different sizes. The company makes a large and extra large size. The large is for a 3 to 5 quart air fryer, and the extra large is for a bigger one, which is 5.3 quarts or larger than that. So since each air fryer's basket size is different, please make sure that you do purchase the correct one. So these are very friendly based on whatever air fryer you have. And this pot is great to use because it's made with high-grade silicone. It's BPA free and FDA approved, so you are feeding your family in safe pots. This pot is also great for the environment and for the pocket because it's reusable, so you don't have to keep on buying parchment paper and also littering your environment. And as I said before, this straight line is for heat distribution, and the height of the lines is so you can easily wash it. So why should you buy the product made by Wavelu? You should buy this product made by Wavelu because the exterior of their wall design of the pot makes it stable, so it's not wobbly when you're putting it into the air fryer. It's very stable. So now I'm going to demonstrate using this product by using frozen french fries. I'm just going to take my french fries and put them in this pot instead. So now we're going to put the pot into the air fryer. So as you can see, it's very flexible, so you don't have to worry about it not fitting. It was very easy to put in, and this is going to prevent any crumbs from falling into the tray. So now let's make it and let's see the results. So I'm going to put it in for 15 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So there's 5 minutes left, and around this time I usually shake the fries to make sure that they are fully cooked. Move them around and wiggle them around like so. And usually this makes a huge mess because all the crumbs fall down the tray, but right now you can see the crumbs are getting stuck in the pot instead. That's gonna save me a lot of time later. So let's put them back in. So as you can see, the time is up, and now I'm gonna take the fries out. And let's bring them out. So now we can easily take the pot out from the fryer. And as you can see, it's easily out. And now I'm going to put it over here. And look at those fries. They're so soft and crunchy. So look at the fries. They look the same as usual as how I make them in the air fryer. And now I'm going to serve them into a plate. And you can see there's a lot of grease built up. And this grease would have been in your pan, in your air fryer's pan. But here it is in the pot, and I can just wash the pot. Look at those fries. They're the same as usual. Let me take one and show you. It's perfect. And they are going to be delicious, and I'm saving a lot. So as you can see, all the crumbs that are in the pot right now, and I can easily just wash it, rinse it out. It's not that big bulky tray of that air fryer, and you can wash it by hand or by dishwasher, whatever you prefer. So I'm just going to add some soap and rinse it out. And look how easily it is gone. And I can even use the spray to clean it. And there you go, good as new. So prior to receiving the pot, this is how I cooked my fries. I'm shaking the tray, and you can see how much crumbs are stuck in the bottom of the air fryer. So that's going to be tough to wash and clean. So I just made some chicken in the pot, and I'm going to take it out. And I'm gonna shake it a little bit, and you can see all the crumbs that are on the bottom. My chicken did cook perfectly as it would normally cook. And look at all those crumbs that got stuck onto the bottom. And these are crumbs that would have been at the bottom of the air fryer that would have been a hassle to clean. And the chicken is perfect and tender. It's crispy as usual. So as you can see, just for some 3 kebabs, I made such a mess in my air fryer. So you can see on the bottom, all that oil is there. And now I'm going to have to scrub this clean. But if only I had used a silicone pot, I would have just had to rinse it.